Hi, my name's Brian. I'm with Granite Epoxy. We're in Lincoln, New Hampshire today, starting off the week, and we're very excited to be installing 2 special floor systems for our customer here at Loon Mountain. Our customer has a very unique problem where they were replacing their carpet every year. The carpet flooring system is not able to withstand that amount of traffic. So our friends at Loon Mountain reached out to us at Granite Epoxy to see if we could help them out and solve their problem. It's day 1 at the Octagon Lodge. We're tearing out the existing carpet system. Let's go inside, take a look, see how the guys are doing. We're in the customer services area where the carpet has just been ripped up. We're taking a look at the concrete that is underneath, seeing what the next steps are to install the Quartz carpet seamless stone flooring system. We're also going to be putting a logo right in front of the doorway to make it a very welcoming space for all of their customers. And you can see how many layers of mastic are on this floor right now. This floor has also self-level, so a traditional epoxy floor system would not work in this area. We're at the side entrance right now where all of the carpet has been removed. We had to go ahead and remove the mastic to get it back down to bare concrete, so our rubber epoxy system will adhere and stay for many years to come and handle all of the traffic that Loon Mountain is going to see through this door. Thank you for following along with us on day 1 of our installation over at Loon Mountain. Stay tuned so you can see the progress.